Need tools? We've got you covered. Go to ChromebookParts.com or click on the link below to pick up this sleek, portable toolkit. Flip the device over and unscrew 6 captive screws from the bottom cover. The circled screw here should actually raise the bottom cover up from the palm rest, giving you a spot to easily insert the opener pick. Gently insert that opener pick between the bottom cover and the palm rest and slide along the edges to pop the bottom cover free. Gently pull back to unplug the battery from the motherboard. Unscrew 2 captive screws from the USB-C bracket. Flip open the locking clip, unplug the USB-C cable from the motherboard, and remove the USB-C from its port slot. Replace the USB-C port back into its slot. And plug the cable back into the motherboard. Replace the bracket and tighten the 2 captive screws. Plug the battery back into the motherboard. Replace the bottom cover and push down to snap it back into place. Tighten the 6 captive screws in the bottom cover.